Merry Christmas.
Isaiah 9:6 says, "For unto us a child is born, unto us a son is given, and the government shall be upon his shoulder, and his name shall be called Wonderful, Counselor, the Mighty God, the Everlasting Father, the Prince of Peace." That promise comes in Isaiah, and obviously it hasn't come yet. As we celebrate this Christmas season, we should be reminded that we can't authentically celebrate Christmas if we don't think about what's written in John 3:16. "For God so loved the world that he gave his only begotten Son, that whosoever believes in him should not perish, but have everlasting life." This is a season when many people are joyful. They're together to get with family and have lots of happy memories, and many other people are extremely sad. They're missing people who are gone, have gone before them, or they're not with people they'd like to be, or they're in financial struggles, marriage struggles, relationship struggles, career struggles. But Jesus is the hope of the world. Everything that we've experienced, he went through. And if we walk closely with him, we will be able to bear whatever we have to bear now. And we have the ultimate hope that one day he will return and all will be at peace. Merry Christmas.